In today's digital age, having a website is crucial for businesses and individuals alike. Fortunately, creating a website has never been easier, thanks to website builders like Wix and Web.com. These platforms empower users with no coding experience to build professional-looking websites with ease. Wix, launched in 2006, has become a global leader in the website building industry. It offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, a vast library of templates, and a wide range of features to customize your website. Web.com, established in 1999, is another popular website builder known for its affordable pricing and comprehensive marketing solutions. Both platforms cater to a diverse audience, from small businesses to bloggers and entrepreneurs. They provide all the tools and resources you need to create a stunning online presence without breaking the bank. In this comprehensive comparison, we'll delve deeper into the features, pricing, and user experience of Wix and Web.com to help you determine the best platform for your needs. Wix stands out for its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making it incredibly easy to create a website without any technical knowledge. Simply select an element, such as text, images, or videos, and drag it to the desired location on your page. Wix's vast template library offers a wide variety of professionally designed templates for different industries and purposes. Whether you're creating a business website, an online store, or a portfolio, Wix has a template to suit your needs. Wix also provides a comprehensive app market, where you can find a wide range of third-party applications to enhance your website's functionality. From social media integration to email marketing tools, the app market offers endless possibilities for customization. Wix's popularity is undeniable, with millions of users worldwide. As of 2023, Wix boasts over 200 million registered users, making it one of the most widely used website builders globally. The platform's user base continues to grow steadily, thanks to its user-friendly interface, extensive features, and affordable pricing. Wix's success can be attributed to its constant innovation and commitment to providing users with the best possible website building experience. The platform regularly releases new features and updates, ensuring that users have access to the latest trends and technologies. Section 4. User-friendly face-off, Wix versus Web.com. Both Wix and Web.com are designed with ease of use in mind, making them accessible to beginners. Wix's drag-and-drop interface is highly intuitive, allowing users to easily add, remove, and customize elements on their websites. Web.com also offers a drag-and-drop editor, although it may not be as intuitive as Wix's for some users. Wix's template customization options are more extensive, allowing for greater flexibility in design. Web.com "S" templates, while visually appealing, can be more restrictive in terms of customization. Section 5. Support systems, getting help when you need it. Wix provides comprehensive customer support through various channels. Users can access a vast knowledge base with articles, tutorials, and FAQs. For personalized assistance, Wix offers phone and email support. Web.com also offers customer support, but their response times can be slower compared to Wix. Wix's support team is known for its responsiveness and helpfulness. They are available 24/7 to assist users with any issues they may encounter.